Alright.
Don't let go. Oh.
Don't worry about the eggs.
Be careful.
Gotta go take a photo. Luke. Look at that.
You may have good knife skills, but your axe skills are. There we go over the top this time.
Come on. I should put it on something.
That's why I went up to the rock. There's a rock right there.
You don't hit the rock with your axe,
That really pissed me off.
Ready?
Yep. Oh, I should put.
I don't know if you guys should stand.
Pretty cool.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's kind of cool, I guess.
That's pretty cool.
Use the blunt end. No!
Oh, jeez.
No, Jeremy.
Oh my god. I was just waiting for that axe to come flying at us.
Look at this cut.
Nice.
Good cut. I really was not satisfied with that at all.
There's still tons of pumpkin left.
Yeah, that's true.
Use the blunt end. Use the blunt end.
The axis is
It's too unwieldy.
God.
Nice. Yeah. Look kind of dangerous. We'll go to bed.